Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm Yasha from Mercy Couture Wigs, and I'm going to do this video and basically break down the differences between the wig caps, okay? So right now we are going to show you a dome wig cap, a ventilated dome wig cap, and a regular ventilated wig cap. So first you have here, they come in this package, or you get it from Amazon or wherever you get your wig caps, but I like to use the Q-Fit wig cap. This is a dome mesh wig cap. Alright, dome mesh, they have a dome, which is basically more like elastic. It's pretty much like spandex. This is, as you can see, see-through. You can see my fingers, so it's breathable. They have little holes. You cannot access your scalp as easily as you can with the ventilated cap, but hey, pretty much this is a glueless wig, so you're taking it on and off. But I would say that it has a lot of elastic. Alright, so they have two different sizes, regular and extra large. If you have a bigger head, from like 23 and up, then you should get the extra large. Alright, because this will be hella tight on your head. And if you have a really small head, just put this, my experience has been sewing it on like one of those foam mannequin heads. When I do the closure, that way it's like super tight, because it's going to eventually stretch out in like a week. That's just my opinion and my experience. But when I say stretch out, I mean it's going to get looser. Actually, it's not going to stretch out and fall off, especially if it's done properly. That's why you go to Mercy Couture Wigs. Alright, so the next one we have is a ventilated wig cap. The reason why it's a dome cap is because it's all elastic all the way around the perimeter. And then you have the elastic, the plastic right here. Now, you have to remove the plastic after you finish sewing the hair on the wig. And you'll get the wig, of course, with the plastic removed when you get it from Mercy Couture Wigs. And then you have this part. I bought one with the mesh, which I shouldn't have, but as you can see, that was by accident. But it doesn't matter because you're cutting that part off anyway. This is where the frontal will lie, or the closure. So, take a better look. You have mesh right here, knitting. And then you have the plastic right here, and then the front is where you would put the closure. So this is pretty much the center top part of your head. I like this because you can access your scalp, and it's just really, really lightweight, and it's wonderful. Add an elastic band if you want more support, and boom, there you go. But it takes about 25 to like 45 minutes to get all this plastic out, depending on how much patience you have and how talented you are with getting it out. And last but not least, we have the traditional ventilated cap with adjustable straps. Okay, these are cool. However, I've noticed that with my shape head, these do not always go all the way to the nape. Alright, and then I don't care for it because there's no elastic here, but you know, sewn on properly, it'll work. And it's very, very lightweight. It has ear tabs, so it really, really is like the wigs that you get at the beauty supply store and the wigs that you will get from other companies, pre-made wigs. This is primarily what they use, is the ventilated cap. Now, sometimes you can find ventilated caps with dissolvable plastic, which is perfect. Just put it in water and it dissolves. If you find some, let me know. Alright, but this one can come in small, medium, and large sizes. So you have a little versatility there, and you have some options. And this is a better view of what the front look like. This front is actually a lot bigger than this top part, but as you can see, yes, so this one I really, really like a lot. You can reach your scalp, like I said, you can breathable, and it's lasts a little bit longer. It gives you that more realistic instead of that elastic look. So my top choice would be these two, the dome ventilated and regular ventilated, and then I go with the elastic. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you like, alright? Let me know which wig cap you like best, alright? Don't forget to like and subscribe, alright? Thanks for watching again. Visit MercyCoutureWigs.com. Later.